My Fun Life, a mobile app company, has created the new app economy. Are you ready? 1 billion mobile apps downloaded every week. The $6 trillion per year travel industry is about to change forever. Imagine being in on the first mobile travel app to bring you the world's best travel deals. It literally pays you to own it. See the world. Make great part-time or full-time income from home. Create time freedom. Welcome to a new kind of lifestyle. Welcome to My Fun Life, where membership has its privileges. My Fun Life gives you 3 huge travel benefits. Number 1, Cha-Ching booking engine. Lowest prices and cash back on every booking made by you and your friends. Number 2, fun trips. Use our member buying power like a Costco to buy in bulk. Cruises, resorts, hotels, and pass the savings on to you. Similar memberships have cost thousands of dollars. And we're not done yet. Check this out. Number 3, fun condos. Get access to luxury timeshare resorts worldwide. A timeshare alone can cost as much as $20,000 or more. We get access to these properties for pennies on the dollar. We offer an exclusive membership, and it will not cost you thousands of dollars. How about only $25 a month? Follow our 3 simple steps to total freedom. 1, 2, 3. Join, travel, share. The mobile app industry is global and is going viral. Can you imagine getting in on the first company to pay you to download and share their apps? Part-time or serious income is possible. The possibilities are endless.